Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video from the Modern Programmer. I know it's been a while since the last time I uploaded a video. So today I'm going to basically teach you how you will register with Binance. I'm going to guide you from the registration process all the way down to how you should do your KYC, so that when your KYC gets approved, you can then use it to you can then automatically start trading on Binance. So you can see they said start buying crypto. You can do peer-to-peer trading. You can just buy crypto, and if you're from Nigeria like me, you can deposit naira and then use the naira to buy crypto. That is, you can deposit fiat and then use the fiat to buy crypto. So peer-to-peer trading, safest peer-to-peer marketplace to buy and sell Bitcoin with 100 plus payment methods. So they have a lot of payment methods that you can use to buy cryptocurrency. It doesn't matter whether you want to use PayPal, you want to use bank transfer, you want to use any type of payment method you can think. They have 100 plus that you can use to buy crypto through peer-to-peer using your fiat. And then a full suite of products. So you have a spot account, a P2P account, a savings account, and you also have a DeFi section. That's a decentralized finance. Then you can trade seamlessly with Binance Spot. So using your Spot wallet, you can basically buy and sell cryptocurrencies through your Binance. You can buy any type of cryptocurrency ranging from Ripple, Neo, Cardano, Monero, Ethereum, just any kind of crypto you can think about. So far it's listed on Binance, you'll be able to buy and you'll be able to sell it. So you can virtually buy it at a low price on Binance. When it goes up, you can also sell it again. Then they said getting started, buy crypto via P2P withdrawal. So these are basically some things you can use Binance to do. So but today what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to show you how you will first of all register. After you have registered, how you can then go ahead and do your KYC. KYC means know your customer. So with Binance you have to do KYC because Binance has to know the customer they are interacting with, the person who is buying and selling on top of their platform. So you supply them with some of your information like your name, your address, your postcode, your ID card. You take a selfie of yourself, stuff like that. So what we're going to do now is we'll go straight and click on the register. I will also drop a link in the description box below. So when you click on the link, it's going to automatically take you to Binance registration page where you will put in the email address and the password. So using the link is just going to take you automatically to the page. You don't have to worry about you going to a different address, you typing in the wrong thing. The moment you just click on the link, it's going to take you straight to the registration page for Binance. So just check the description box below and you will see it there. So this is more like the home page of Binance. So on the home page of Binance, you can either click on this register now button or you can click on this register button. Any of the buttons you click is going to take you to the same page, which is the registration page. So I'm going to click on this one now so that I can register a new account with Binance. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use an email address of mine that I have never created an account with on Binance, just to show you guys the process of creating an account on Binance. So first of all, I'm going to type in this email address, cryptoairdrop01@yahoo.com. So this is my email address. Then the password section, I'll type in the password, and then when I come to the referral ID section, I'm going to type in the referral ID of one of my accounts. So if you want, you can use this referral ID in your own referral ID box. So you can type in this 17005835 there. It doesn't matter if you use it or not because it's optional. So after doing that, okay, let me type in my password. Okay, so I have typed in the password I want to use for this particular account. So we will have to click on this. I have read and agreed to Binance terms of service. After doing that, what you do next is you click on the create account. So currently it's creating my account. So they are going to bring in this security verification. So this here is to make sure it's actually a human being trying to create the account. It's called captcha. It's used to catch bots, robots, because sometimes robots do come and then they try creating an account so that they can, it's a means of attack. Programmers use it to attack websites by creating a lot of accounts and overloading the website. So this is a way to solve that particular problem. So we're not going to go deep into that. So in essence, this is just to make sure it's a human being that is creating the account, not a robot. So you will slide this and then make sure it fits into this. The moment it fits here, you leave it. So it has gone. That means you have successfully passed the verification. Then now they said account verification. So they are going to send a 6-digit verification code to the email address which you used in creating an account. This is just to make sure that really that email address is yours. So the code will be valid for 30 minutes. So now I'm going to go into my email address, I'm going to get the code, and then I'm going to type it in here. So you will do the same thing. You will go to your email address, get the code, then you type in the code in this box. You type in the 6-digit codes here. Alright, so I have inputted in the 6-digit codes, and Binance have allowed me to log in into the account. So automatically now, this is the dashboard. This is more like the page which Binance is going to use to welcome you on board. So they said, welcome to Binance. Start your crypto journey with a partner you can trust. Get started with your crypto journey. You can learn more, or you can click on this deposit crypto to start trading, buy crypto with your account, buy crypto using P2P. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to skip all this. I'm going to go straight to the point and show you what you just need to do. So for now, we have created we have registered for an account with Binance. So what we are going to do next now is we are going to do verification. So in order to do the verification, you will look for this little symbol, more like an account symbol. So when you hover above it, you can see it's showing me VIP 0, and then right here it's showing unverified. So you need to first of all verify your account. So click on the account symbol. When you click on the account symbol, come and click on dashboard. So when you click on your dashboard, it's going to open up a page. So on that particular dashboard page, you are going to look for where you can verify your account. So you can see the moment I came into the dashboard page, a pop-up came. So on the pop-up now we have, they said security verification enabled to FA including Google authentication to increase your account security. Good. So if you want to increase your account security, you can enable one of these or both methods. So you can use the Google verification method, or you use the phone verification method. So using the Google verification method, you will have to download the Google authentication application from Play Store. When you download it onto your phone, you will then link it up with your Binance. Then after doing that, if you still want to secure your account for it to be much more secure than before, you can then also do the phone verification. So in the phone verification, they will ask you for your phone number. You will supply Binance with your phone number. Then they will send a 6-digit code to your phone number. Then you copy that same code and then you put it back into the field that they'll provide for you on the website. So when you do that, it's automatically going to bind your phone number to your Binance account. So when it does that, you have automatically you have increased your security by doing the phone verification and the Google verification. But for now, this is not what we actually want to do. I just want to show you how you can verify your account. So now I'm going to click on remind me later. Then I can then click on so right here now I can click on, let me click on verify. Okay, not this. Then click on remind me later. So what you are going to do now is you will look for where they write verify in the page. So you click on this verify. When you click on this verify, it's going to take you to the next page where it's going to show you the verification steps, the levels of verification that Binance has. So when you come here now, you can see confirm your residential country here. So you can confirm which country you are from. Since I'm from Nigeria, I'm going to select Nigeria. So depending on which country you select, that is what will determine which kind of verification documents you are going to submit for your KYC on Binance. So right here now we can see we have three levels of verification. We have the basic, we have the intermediate, and then we have the advanced. So for the basic, they are going to just ask you for just your personal information, just stuff like your name, email address, where you live, and stuff like that. Then for the intermediate, they are going to ask you for your ID card. You need to do facial verification too. And for each level of verification, there's a limit to what you can do with every level of verification. So for instance, with the basic, you can deposit unlimited amount of crypto, but then withdrawal, you cannot withdraw more than 2 Bitcoin in a single day. So if you know, let's say you have like 10 Bitcoin, then definitely the basic is not going to satisfy you. You might need maybe something like the intermediate. So for the intermediate now, fiat deposit and withdrawal. So if you want to deposit naira, like you want to deposit fiat, maybe naira, euro, pounds, dollar. So this is the daily limit for the intermediate, $50,000. So if you know you are going to be depositing more than $50,000 daily, then okay, yeah, it's between the limit is between $50,000 to $500,000 monthly. So if you know you are depositing more than $500,000, then intermediate is not what you are looking for. You might be looking for maybe advanced. Then P2P transactions. So with the intermediate verification, you can perform P2P transactions, but with the basic, you cannot perform P2P transactions. And then with the intermediates, same as the basic, you can do unlimited crypto deposit. While for your crypto withdrawal, you have 100 Bitcoins daily, a limit of 100 Bitcoins daily. And then some other features. You have the LPD, OTC, and a Binance card. Then we have the advanced. So for the advanced, the main thing in the advance is the proof of address. So Binance are going to really make sure the address you supply to them, that is where you are actually living, so that in case maybe there was a problem, like fraud or stuff like that, it can be easily located. So then so with respect to the advance, these are what you get when you do the advanced verification. You can deposit $200,000 all the way to $2 million monthly, and then you can perform unlimited P2P transactions. The same thing for crypto deposit. While for crypto withdrawals, the maximum is 100 Bitcoin daily. So you can't go above that, just 100 Bitcoin daily. But I think if you want to withdraw, let's say maybe 150 Bitcoin in a day through Binance, maybe you could contact their support, and then the supports, they can look into it, and then if they want to, they can help you out and allow you to do it. And then there are other features like LPD, OTC, and Binance card. So we're going to start with the basic. So I'm just going to show you only the basic. When you see how when you just see the basic, you automatically know how you can do the intermediate and how you can do the advanced, because it's a simple process. The process is not hard at all. So when you click on verify now, good. So when you click on verify now, they will ask you for your nationality, your name, your last name, your middle name, your date of birth. So basically, these are stuff you can fill by yourself. So after doing that, you click on continue, and then after you've clicked on continue, you've filled the next page. That is where then Binance is then going to sit down, and then they will review the details you have given them. So the maximum review time is 1 day. So within a period of 24 hours, Binance will tell you if you have passed the basic verification. So if you pass the basic verification, then you can deposit unlimited number of cryptocurrency, and you can withdraw 2 Bitcoin daily. So after you have done the basic verification, then you can go ahead and do the intermediate verification. After doing the intermediate verification, if you still need like maybe let's say more, if you want to deposit like $600,000, then definitely you have to do the advanced verification. So that will be it for today. I hope this video was helpful. By the way, don't forget to subscribe so that the moment I post in my next video, you will get notified immediately. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you how you can trade on Binance. That is how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency via the classic and advanced trading on the Binance platform. And I'm also going to show you how you can deposit fiat and then convert that fiat into crypto. That is how you can buy crypto through the peer-to-peer trading platform on Binance and then convert the crypto that you bought through P2P from Binance down to your spot wallet, send it from the P2P wallet down to your spot wallet, and then use it to trade on the Binance platform through the classic and the advanced section of the trading. Also, don't forget to like this video, because when you like the video, it helps with the YouTube algorithm. It's going to make it possible for other people that need such kind of content to actually see the video